How to fix Windows 11 Bluetooth not working. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to ensure Bluetooth is enabled. So in the search bar, go ahead and search for settings. And inside settings, simply tap on Bluetooth and devices. And now you want to make sure that the Bluetooth is switched on. Now after that, you want to go ahead and check Bluetooth services. For that, in the search bar, go ahead and search for services. Then tap open. Now from here, go ahead and search for Bluetooth. As you can see, we have three options that says Bluetooth. So first of all, you want to go ahead and tap onto it, then right click onto it, then simply tap on properties. From here, startup type is set to manual. You want to go ahead and set it to automatic. Go ahead and tap on apply, then tap on OK. Repeat the process for the next one as well. Once it is done, you want to go ahead and run Bluetooth as troubleshooter. For that, in the search bar, go ahead and search for troubleshoot settings, tap open, then select other troubleshooters. Then from here, you want to go ahead and tap on run beside Bluetooth. After you're done, you want to go ahead and check your device. Ensure that the Bluetooth device is turned on and in pairing mode. And once that is done, you'll then be able to fix that issue. That is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.